Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And believe it or not, Ruggon has sent us their SOL number 7 tablet, fully rugged tablet. And just full transparency here, they are not paying me for this review. We'll be making a multitude of videos regarding their tablet. And right now we're just going to talk about the first impressions. You're going to get my honest opinion. So the Ruggon tablet is fully rugged. It has rubber bumpers that are on all the corners like this. It feels very solid when I pick it up. It is on the heavier side based on its class, but it has some interesting features that I want to point out to you. As as with most of these tablets, you have a webcam in the front here with a privacy cover, and then of course you have a camera on the back so you can take wide-angle videos or pictures of anything around you. It is a touch screen. It is daylight readable. Interesting thing about this particular model is the port covers. Something that I haven't seen on the competition of this is the port cover actually has a rubber seal around the outside, around the edge, that whenever you push it in, it's almost like an O-ring type cover. And then there's I don't know if you can see it, but there's a small tab here with a hole that when you have it closed, you can actually put a screw in there to keep this cover from opening without unscrewing the screw. That I haven't seen on any other model, Panasonic, Getac, Durabook, any of those guys. Haven't seen that before. This particular unit has a few ports. It has 2 USB-C ports, which is interesting. Audio port, of course, and then over here it has an Ethernet port and then a standard USB port on this end, 3.0. And the standard buttons like on-off button, your home button so you can go back to the home screen, volume control, and then of course your programmable P1 and P2 buttons. And if we turn it over, you'll see that there's 2 batteries on this unit, and they got fairly decent switches to release them, where it takes a little bit to get the battery out, but once you get the switch going, you're good, and you can just pop those battery out. I'm going to find out if they're hot swappable. The other thing is it's got an interesting texture on the back. There are, on this particular platform, there are some screw holes here, 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 and here, which I am thinking that you're going to be able to mount this thing probably on a wall if you wanted to, or on a piece of industrial equipment, which in my opinion is a positive. You don't see this kind of mounting on a platform like this on any other manufacturer. So those are some nice features on this unit. Like I said, I'm going to be making a multitude of videos regarding this unit. I'll even compare it to the competition. Again, you can trust that I will give you my honest opinion. They are not paying me, and we will give you the full 911 on this unit. That's all I got for you this week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.